Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Affinity Photo in 2026. So if you want to edit photos, remove backgrounds, or create professional designs, this beginner guide will help you get started step by step. First, open Affinity Photo official website or launch the app on your PC. Once the software opens, you'll see the main editing workspace. Next, click File and then Open to import your photo. So choose any JPG, PNG, or RAW image you want to edit. Now explore the basic tools on the left side. You can use the Move tool, Crop tool, Brush tool, and Selection tool for most edits. So use the adjustment options to improve brightness, contrast, and colors. This helps your photos look more professional. Next, use layers to organize your edits. Layers let you edit different parts of an image without changing the original photo. Finally, click File and then Export to save your edited image, so you can export as JPG, PNG, PDF, and more. And that's how to use Affinity Photo in 2026. Once you learn the basic tools and layers, editing photos becomes much easier and more professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more photo editing tutorials. Hey